What's up, everybody? I want to thank you guys again for tuning in on another SS Customs video. Hey, what's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in to SS Customs channel yet again. This time, we're doing an install on a Model 3 in a 3M color called Gloss Wicked. Basically, it's gloss black with a hint of purple in it. A really cool color. I want you guys to check that out. Check out our process, our install. We finish it off at the very end with a ceramic coating for added protection. But wait till the very end, you'll see the reveal. And thanks again for tuning in to SS Customs.
Again?